according to the former First Lady, Patience Jonathan, he said God has taken you there once. Why do you want to go there again? Me, I don't go. I need peace. I be mama peace. The former First Lady, Patience Jonathan, now shared this candid and heartfelt message to her husband, ex-President Goodluck Ebele Jonathan, amid the growing speculation about a possible return to contest for office. You know how everybody that they teach toward 2027, who want to become the next president of the country, right? Left and right, that they say PDP, that they woo Ebele Jonathan, the former president, say make it come under the understanding, say whoever want come from the south right now, want contest against the current president, who is also from the south, needs to do a one term and get out of there. And Jonathan, as a former president, who don't run one term, but he dream can't they caution to run second term, is the best candidate for that particular arrangement. So Peter Obi actually be the PDP before. In article be run 2019, right? So prior to 2023, as he noticed on internal crisis they brew for there and the possibility of him not getting the ticket to be a presidential candidate, now Babate moved to Labour Party. So he can command the party. Now they take give to Atiku. Now that's say give it to Atiku. Now he also make we can say, yeah, we go spoil everything. So now no one go follow how it's supposed to be. We go scatter everywhere. When the cars can about be returned. He said, no. That move is dangerous and also hypocritical. So what? Bringing Obi to where? You want to kill the party? Obi that was abusing the party, say it is rotten, so the party is not good enough for him, Abi. Ambition can make people even go to Satan's house. Wicked. Now, not be me the quote, now we could quote this thing. The minister can't stress, say, such decision of bringing Peter Obi back to PDP go further bust and scatter the party credibility and destroy any remaining ideological foundation when the party still gets. Say make them not trying. Say if they trying, everywhere go bust scatter.
And we be 89.9 Yanga FM.
You get this particular record, it torturing my body differently. But before I get into that, I just want to say a beautiful, happy new month to you, and you. You wear red shirt, so with black short sneaker. Yes, you wear white shirt. Caught talking on top black trouser with your bolo shoe. I greet you, happy new month. Happy new month. And officially, welcome to the Ember Month. The very first day of September, I be today, in case you wonder where your position put to. If anybody never wish you happy new month, if your husband not wish you happy new month, if your wife not wish you happy new month, if your relation or your relative, your extended relative or your colleague will never wish you happy new month, forget and take my own happy new month, baby girl. Happy new month, guy, man, on a normal. And this new month go bring new blessing, new level of wisdom, and new level of peaceful home. Now the prayers when I get for everybody, now it be that. So happy new month to every one of you. Now the month started on a good note, started on a Monday, and it go wrap up on a Tuesday, right? That's the month of September. Before we venture enter the month of October, we'll come shout happy Independence plus happy new month. But then again, before we reach here, a lot of doings and drama go down over the country, Nigeria. And believe me when I tell you, say on top 89.9 Yanga FM, we'll give you the information 100% gist about the drama and the plenty things where go up on the normal. So on that note, I welcome you come 89.9 Yanga FM station when Sabi. And on this very Monday, CRUISEEXPRESS will take over again. Yes, and truly, we go there from now. Waka go reach 9 p.m. on top CRUISEEXPRESS. I will carry on the cruise when it's smooth, when it's sweet. For on top express, when gallop. Portos not day. The Nigeria when they imaginate on top of your head, now be the express won't get on top CRUISEEXPRESS. Yeah, and most importantly, we get different alignments from 6 p.m. all the way down to 9 p.m. So every hour they come with your own spices. Now why it be different segments. So the first hour from now, I can go to around 6 p.m. with the corner Tori Wey Matter. You would take as our duty to informate you on top the news wey matter inside the country, and a lot don't happen from weekend waka come reach very time. So people don't talk say hey. Now federal government don't hey. Now you were once a governor. Some other information also come aside concerning the 2027. We'll get to reason because these matters and all these stories they matter a lot, and you too will also get opportunity to take follow us raising and put man on top the matter. Then the second hour between 6 and 7, we they bring your office palava, with the drama, the office politics when they go around inside inside the office environment. We'll get to talk about and communicate on top. Then the third hour, which is from 7 all the way down to 8, we title that one Bedu Hour. In between, we sample you a lot of G's left and right. And trust I said to bring the spice now because that one I'm about normally. They mind the business. Then the last and the fourth hour, which is between 8 and 9, they call that one drive time freestyle. Yeah, we'll take things on a lighter note. You get to play with me, throw some yarns or some lyrics, give me on top my domo. May I feel your vibe on the normal. And if body sweet me, guess what? I go freaky your account. Skin not too full, your body. You get the way the team be will see shake body anyhow. You understand? I feel just there in the mood, and if I'm in the mood, you can be in the mood because it takes two to tango on the normal. And your account feel they happy because your account to go there in the mood. So let's see how it goes by 8 between the hour of 8 and 9 p.m. That's not what and what to expect on top of the show this very Monday. Now, I know say some of you when you just listen to the voice, they wonder, who the yarn, who this guy? Allow me to not only introduce myself to you, but also to reintroduce myself to people who don't sabi me before. My name is Emmcee Emmcee RNB, certified married man, twins daddy +1, and the sweetest sugar zaddy for the whole of Africa. You suppose know why now. Based on everything you're doing, come on, guy, attention. We are actively active, and I deal with you from now. I can go reach 9 p.m. Not change. There's a lot of good news I want to share with you, but some of the news will not be good news to you because what is good for the goons is also good for the ganja. We don't say but then again, we'll go on this very beautiful music break, not go anywhere. Hey God, now Spirit Master, not be small musical. Anyway, welcome back. Yes, beautiful record from Mama Lee. I hope you go understand me at the end of the day because right now, officially, we don't kick off the Tori Wey Matter segment of the show. My name is Emmcee RNB, or simply just call me RNB. Now, I get a couple, in fact, I don't say a lot, but I get a couple of stories to share with you now. I hope say the small time frame when I get for my hand, I feel and take cover them up, hopefully, because a lot of G's day left and right, some consign 2027, some consign the past, but in between, as I even still there right now, I don't even know which of the story to start with, but my mind they tell me, say, I start with this one, because, okay, before I enter Wiki, enter River State, okay, may I start with the past? Even though say the talk now of recent. No, I'm not gonna lie. You feel disagree with me with the next statement I want to make right now. But since I start to pay close, or since I start to get and understand or pay close attention to the administration when it don't rule Nigeria, part of me, deep down my heart, feels saying we never get any first lady when they understand it and better pass our former first lady, patient Jonathan. Yes, the wife of our former president, Goodluck Ebele Jonathan. There's a reason I say so. Part of me just feels say, if you look from when we return back to democracy from 1999, Waka can't reach now. I think the person closest to patient Jonathan was Stella Obasanjo. But may our gentle soul continue to rest in peace. But even on top that, the genuinity of her personality cannot be compared to any other first lady. No offense to the first lady we did now. We just see the observer. I'm talking about the current first lady now. We still use why they look at. Yes, they do one or two left and right, give money and the rest. But when it comes to genuinity, I just give her to patient Jonathan for some reasons which I don't want to carry the breakdown now. Now, why am I talking about the former first lady? You know how everybody that they teach to what 2027 who want to become the next president of the country, right? Left and right, don't they say PDP, don't they woo Ebele Jonathan, the former president, say make it come. Under the understanding, say whoever want come from the South right now, want contest against the current president who is also from the South, needs to do a one term and get out of there. And Jonathan, as a former president who don't run one term, but he dream gone the culture to run second term, is the best candidate for that particular arrangement. And plus some certain other arrangements say, now only if he still hold power or gbé body with the current president, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, right? In all of this, Goodluck Ebele Jonathan never come outside and campaign for a chest. He truly say he get interest to run come 2027. In as much as left and right, people close to around, they convince and they say he's fine. He never use the matter talk. Why they talk this? Because something like this similar happened prior to 2023 general election. And Baba later come say, Mona leave me, now pursue me. Mona not make me come back here. Mona, you free me. So whether the same thing will happen now, I don't know. But why am I saying all this back to you? For you to get an understanding of where his wife, Patient Jonathan, they come from. Mama don't talk, say, he know they go back to where they pursue her from. Say nothing concern that place again. According to the former First Lady, Patient Jonathan, he said, God has taken you there once. Why do you want to go there again? Me, I don't they go. I need peace. I be mama, peace. The former First Lady, Patient Jonathan, now shared this candid and heartfelt message to her husband, ex-President Goodluck Ebele Jonathan, amid the growing speculation about a possible return to contest for office. During when they talk about speaking of the pressure of governors, she can express her reluctance to ever return to the villa. As the young say, the stress of leadership is too much. I want to quote Mama right now, permit me to try and dramatize it. Mama say, if you call me now for villa, I know they go there. I won't go there. Don't you see how young and beautiful I look? Because the stress in that place is too much. The stress of Nigeria is too much. If God bring you out of it, you should glorify God and thank Him for the Lord's doing. Because it is marvelous in His eyes. He has taken you there once. Why do you want to go there again? Me, I know they go. I need peace. That's what say with us rock. Now what they there? I don't know. But this now waiting Mama yarn. Say he no one go back there again. Now with the husband listening to the wife. Or now waiting the husband also talk. Because Mama not fit they talk this one. Certainly they must have had the conversation. Honey, do you really want to go? Honey go say, no, I'm considering it. Yes, I'm not. No, you know. But for Mama today, this aspect to say, you know what, return back there. It cannot be smart in Mama eyes. See, Mama cry for TV during the Chibok gets kidnapping. When he say, you know what you people are doing. Mama see things for there. He say, no one go back there again. But it's left for the husband, the former president Goodluck Ebele Jonathan, to decide. Only when Baba tell us, say, one run, I will know whether it is serious or not. That now for that side. Now, away from there right now, another very... So, Wike, the FCT minister, yes, on Wike, and the former governor of Rivers State, just to let you know, local government election don't come and go for Rivers State, in as much some people not they happy with the outcome. Majority of the chairmanship seats goes to, I think, APC. I think about 3 or 5 now PDP actually win. But up and down conversation say the election was not smooth and this and that. Now, during the election, you know how I thought they asked, hope Governor Sim Fubara will return back very soon. By the time the suspension, the 6-month suspension elapsed, which is in 2 weeks' time, if I'm correct, September 18. And when they asked Wike during the chairmanship election, when he participated, also go vote, he said yes. By September 6, everything is good now. He's coming back to office. But I think that's why they also quickly carry out the chairmanship election, which they done and dusted right now. But back to Wike. So I think the FCT minister don't make a tradition to get a media chit chat with news people every month or from time to time. And as a result of that media chit chat, it makes some revelation today concerning Peter Obi. And I go really want to know what be your take on top or on top any of the matter when they share with you currently, specifically on this particular one, because it concerns 2027, and it also concerns because some movement, body movement, the other day say, since it be like say the coalition where they be formed to join ADC, be like say you no one get ahead, and the fact say it's possible say, oh, if he not benefit her, some people don't have the opinion say, oh, will Peter Obi also return back to PDP? And in two, on top the formula say, the only The only opportunity when they not just one term for anybody when they come from the south to come and rule the country. And he too also day of the opinion say he not get problem. 4 years is enough for me to perform magic to make Nigeria a better country. So people of the opinion say okay, if like say he go back to PDP because PDP seems to have the structure even though say they get some calamity going on in the party. You get. So when they come ask Wike on top am, the federal minister, capital territory minister, come dey warn PDP o. He na a member in case you don't know, yes, in case you don't forget. Come dey warn the People Democratic Party of self-destruction if they try to bring back the former Labour Party presidential candidate Peter Obi to the party. Now, for those who don't know, let me give you a backstory. So Peter Obi actually be the PDP before. Yes, he and Atiku be wrong. 2019, right? Correct me if I'm wrong. Yeah. So prior to 2023, as he noticed some internal crisis they brew for there and the possibility of him not getting the ticket to be a presidential candidate, now Babate moved to Labour Party. So he can command the party. Now they take give am to Atiku. Now that say give it to Atiku. Now he also make Wike say, here we go spoil everything. So now no one go follow how it's supposed to be. We go scatter everywhere. Now it be the internal crisis when PDP do the battle with since them. Even the person when make internal crisis start now, Atiku don't even come on, don't go join ADC. That's a backstory. So when they come ask him, he say PDP be like say they never learn from their past mistake. When it caused them heavily prior to the 2023 general election, he be like say they are never open. He called the record say he and other party leaders before by that time 2023 repeatedly cautioned against allowing both the presidential candidate and the national chairman to come from the north. But guess what? They do what they their mind. Say now I make everywhere boss scatter for inside PDP right now. He said from day one, I told my colleagues, PDP, you are shooting yourself. If you allow what is going on to continue, you will pay. And what did I say? You cannot have the presidential candidate at the same time as the national chairman of the party come from the north. And they went ahead and did what was on their mind. It comes to, I think you guys are familiar with this, but in the try to let you know where he stands right now. No? He can accuse the PDP of stealing both the position and ignoring cause for fairness and balance, a decision when he argue say he contribute to the party loss at the 2023 election. He said it is better now you have stolen the presidential ticket and again you stole the national chairman. I said it will purge you. And did he not purge them? I have no regrets. He purged them because I made sure say he purged them. You remember the G5 governor? Now one of the result of this base Kelebe. Now be this. He can't talk say, he can't insist say the presidency must rotate back to the south to ensure equity and political stability. He said the PDP arrogance and refusal to heed internal warning have led the party weakened and vulnerable. When the call came about be returned, he said no. That move is dangerous and also hypocritical. So what? Bringing Obi to where? You want to kill the party? Obi that was abusing the party. Obi abused PDP. Obi that was abusing the party. Say it is rotten, so the party is not good enough for him, Abi. Ambition can make people even go to Satan's house. Wicked. Not be me the quote, now we could quote this thing. The minister can't stress, say, such decision of bringing Peter Obi back to PDP go further bust and scatter the party credibility and destroy any remaining ideological foundation when the party still gets. Say, make them not try. Say, if they try, everywhere go bust, scatter. Kasala go bust. No, that's me dramatizing it. That's not his exact words, though. I don't know. What do you think about this? Truly, we not ever really consider which party will Obi run under. Is there a possibility with the likes of El-Rufai, Emmcee, Atiku for him at the ADC? Is there really a possibility for him coming back to PDP with this one when Wike don't want? Wike won Atiku not here. You see what Atiku I see for that election, right? Okay. Or is there still a possibility for Peter Obi to run under Labour Party? These are some questions now Nigerians need to answer. Because at the end of the day, now see make una choice no matter the party where anybody come from. The number they open for you to conversate with me. You will send me a voice note, not more than 40-second voice note, on top WhatsApp, or send me a message 0904 281 0904 821 3013. Now the WhatsApp number be there. I'll take it one more time 0904 821 3013. Not go anywhere. More Tori Wey Matter the on ground concerning GMO and the rest. Will they come back? In dopamine, I bet before we dopamine finish, there's a lot on ground right now. Welcome back. Still 89.9 Yanga FM station when Sabi. My name is Tori Wey Matter, Emmcee RNB. We did inside CRUISEEXPRESS together. To be more precise, we did inside Tori Wey Matter. We did share some of the stories when matter to you as Nigeria. And we did ask what to be your take inside. In between, now before I do a follow up on top the recent development concerning this GMO, it be like say I'm not sure say you get the talk where we'll talk again where it go make us go back on this GMO, because for those of you who are not even aware, we don't dey chop the GMO matter for a while now. You get some of the things when they shop, whether like cowpea, bean and the rest, it's already genetically modified organism that is been inside. You get, so it's almost like it's a must say we must go on with her. With the way some certain individuals, some person when supposed worry about the citizens. When the citizens has supposed to be their priority, they defend them. You get. Now, the latest development, they come from NAFDAC, and according to the Director of Food and Drug Service at the Federal Ministry of Health and Social Welfare, he say federal government go soon start to label the genetically modified crops to ensure transparency. That's to say you are not given the choice to choose because it don't day. Nothing that can happen that we have to go back, say we don't want or we don't want consumer. It's not going to be a choice for you. When you want to go buy something, you'll see label they'll say na GMO be this one. You can't see the natural one. And just like in some of the few Western world countries when they accept them, you'll find out say the GMO on the cheap. The natural one, you can cost. Because they'll tell you, say, that one be good health. You get, now they give you 100% balanced diet. That's me just dramatically explaining it. You get me? But according to this Oga by John, Mr. John Atanda, he say the ministry will collaborate with agencies such as NAFDAC, the National Biotechnology Management Agency, to enforce a proper labeling of the GMO product when they inside the country, Nigeria, so that you and I can differentiate between the two. So you now have a choice. Apart from that choice, nothing else can happen. Away from that right now, I think I get one voice note to briefly make I hear what the people they talk. Give me a moment.
Good evening, RNB. I greet you especially, Master GP from Italy. For a long time, first time hearing from you here.
I greet you.
For Yanga FM. I greet you based on I just busy all this while, today I just get small work, why I just the outside. So I say let me just follow up today,
Thank you.
I greet you especially. All those election stuff, all those things. Why not they take and serious, because all those what they do for even advice Peter Obi may not just contest. Because why? They contest now waste of money. Because Tinubu, he will still win. Why me they talk and be say I get my own reason? Because they say that all of them are not even fight for the right thing so that the election will go in a smoothly way. Okay, now INEC, when we say yes, he did there. The INEC when we say that everybody see what happened for 2023. So the INEC still did there. So they don't even fight for all those electoral reform and all those stuff. So they just fight for election. If they don't fight for electoral reform, just forget election that day will see come. Everybody will see shout, they still enter house. At the end of the day, they will say go to court. Pass that one. So our advice, Peter will be not just
make it not wrong.
Except maybe all of them come outside, all of them come outside, they fight for it, so maybe they do electoral reform. If they not do, just forget the election. They will still run as they run before. So we'll pass that one. We use another method again, ring the election. I agree to you, my brother, Emmcee RNB.
I agree to you.
God bless you, my brother, Master GP from Italy.
Master GP from Italy. Now, so we did not be Italy. We won't come from Italy. There's different. Italy, no, it's different from Italy. Now, Italy, we sabi. So I for you really want to ask you, why you go suggest that kind of thing, Mr. Obinoro? And then again, when you talk about electoral reform, what do you expect say they want really reform actually? Will there be a reform with the same set of individuals when you did that say they're not they transparent enough or they're not they straightforward enough? This is a society question you go ask yourself as a Nigerian. Would that be different? Anyway, moving away from there right now. Thank you, my brother, for the contribution. So El-Rufai talked something recently, and I don't know. There was a speed to the reply from federal government because the thing they very, very serious, right? So I'll just briefly share it with you, and it will be the last story Wey Matter I share with you on this very beautiful day. Say time not they always reach for us. Now, the former governor, a two-time governor of Kaduna State, and once upon a time, I'm FCT minister, correct me if I'm wrong. Yes, I think Oda Jonathan was the FCT minister, right? This is a position where we can hold right now. Yes. He talked something. When I hear quickly and briefly. Oga Nasir El-Rufai don't accuse the federal government of providing a soft landing for bandits terrorizing different parts of the country, Nigeria. He can they allege say the government was empowering bandits by paying them a monthly allowance, sending food to them in the name of non-kinetic, describing it as a kiss the bandit policy. Now, before I continue with waiting El-Rufai, let me take your mind back to somewhere. Who remember, I think it was 2018 or 2019, the then Minister of Information, Lai Mohammed, terror left and right, bandit activity left and right. When they ask him, say, why don't they go head on with this bandit? He say the federal government always apply non-kinetic approach and kinetic approach. Sometimes say now the non-kinetic approach now every day better safe. And waiting with that non-kinetic approach, the one when they would go, they meet them for bush, they follow the talk. Sometimes they go answer their or give some of them when repent. Waiting they call them. Oh, waiting with that terminology. Oh. Rehabilitation, come put them into, say the last administration, I start all those waka. So I believe say that same waka, na El-Rufai, and don't forget, El-Rufai was the governor in that particular under that administration. So somebody ask, why you not complain that time? Say this not kinetic approach, not the use. Why be say solid now? Because not be this administration starting. Now that's administration starting, right? But may I continue? Just to give you an insight, me not today. He said, what I will not do is to pay bandits. Give them a monthly allowance. Wait, will they really give them monthly allowance? Or send food to them in the name of not kinetic? It is nonsense. We are empowering bandits. It is not the government of Kaduna State. It is a national policy driven by the Office of the National Security Advisor, and Kaduna is part of it. Kiss the bandit. That's the new policy. You not grow. Guess what? As he just talk this one, as the country just the horse, hey, El-Rufai don't stand with what is right to what is right to. Now federal government will reply am. Now they reply am. They say, okay, hey, calm down there. The federal government don't dismiss this allegation made by the former governor of Kaduna State, Nasir El-Rufai, say that they empower bandits. In a statement by the Office of the National Security Advisor on Monday today, they described the allegation as baseless, and they say the answer does not coordinate a policy of payment and incentive to bandits. Say there is never a time that the Office of the National Security or any arm of the government under this particular new administration right now don't engage in ransom payment or inducement to criminals. Say they never try am. May El-Rufai bring evidence come if they don't try am. It's on the contrary. We have consistently warned Nigerians against paying ransom. El-Rufai allegations are not only false but also contradict verifiable fact on the ground. This particular statement that was also a reply to El-Rufai allegation was signed by Zakari Mija Yawa for the Office of the National Security Advisor. Say, wait, El-Rufai they talk, who Dr. El-Rufai go sit down. Say, may bring evidence, come. Anyway, that's all I can share with you right now. Just to let you know, Global Peace Index 2025 come outside over the weekend. I was shocked to see Nigeria drop 3 places down. It's sad though, because as of last year, that this particular Global Peace Index, we were, I think, number 145, I think so, around 145 or 146 out of the 163 countries in the world. In as much as that, now even a big shame today below the 20, the list 30. It's a shame. But now we don't even do more shameful because we don't drop 3 spots down. So we don't even do peaceful. Guess who even did down fast? Russia and Ukraine. Anyway, those people, they get personal problem, family problem. Guess who did number 1? The most peaceful country in the world, Iceland. Why not peaceful? When cold food here anyhow. Ireland, followed by Ireland, New Zealand, Australia, and Switzerland. Most African countries have never make the first 50. It's a shame though. Okay, I think yes. There's Mauritius. I don't know why I know they always that. Mauritius is an African country now, right? Yes, now there's Mauritius. Mauritius actually they 26. That one still represent us more. But the rest country, Singapore, all of them are the top 10. Denmark, all of them peaceful country. Nigeria, they 148. Then about now Iceland. Russia did 160. Now Russia be the last 163, followed by Ukraine, Sudan, Democratic of Congo, Yemen, Afghanistan. Even people when they write these things, they suspend them. They are way not pure too. They are way not pure. Because Nigeria not. How you go put Nigeria for 148? You don't read now. Not read with that now. Anyway, that's all I can share with you right now. I will see you on the next hour. My name is Bob Emmcee RNB. You see on top 89.9 Yanga FM station 1 Sabi. Cruise Express continues. We come back, not go anywhere.
You see as they rush us? Now we be 89.9 Yanga FM. Now we be 89.9 Yanga FM.